and the strength I need to keep me sane in this life that I lead.